Okay, that was a lot to take in. I don't know which line I like the best. Squidward smokes dope? No, maybe he should. Is this Sean Connery giving the gospel sermon? Thank God this is real and we'll see where it leads. Do you know how many times I watched this as a young impressionable child? Do you realize this is why I am the way I am? You dumb
It isn't even dented! Oh shit, what are we gonna do now?
Oh, okay, that was just like when you eat at Taco Bell and then come home and do this. That was a
Isn't even dented! Oh shit, what are we gonna do now?
Transformers, robots sing! Or the passion fruit grows sweet? Oh. Pretty good, show us your... Hey, hold up. Okay, I heard the pink pajamas, penguins on the bottom, but it kind of sounded like it was like... You know what? If John Cusack can say a robot can say off. He's saying, because he ain't saying fruit. For example, Adventure Time. Oh, such a great show for kids, ain't it? Come on. B, is that Brad? Is that Brad? Here, phone, I found Brad. B for Brad. What the? Do you know what she told me? She said, hey, you fucking... Said the F word. But we're gonna use science. This is the Disney text-to-speech test. Or the Disney...
Calm down.
Get the balls headed towards my facial area, I would probably run and yell, get the that. Probably could have made it sound a lot less like
Excellent idea!
Today's letter of the day is F for
That sounds like an excellent idea!
Yes, that's a freak! Amazing World of Gumball. You ought to be a What the hell is this thing? A potato with antlers? God, what the? This show is a trip. This show is a... I would have asked why. And I'm no liar. Well, you see, it's because that little guy just said... Pizza. What the hell is he saying? This, you know what? Fifi and the Flower Tots, you know what? You're... That's what I thought. That's what I thought! They really thought this was a good idea for an episode? This is the Wee Bear Bears. It's a show about bears who say...
How could you mess this up? You have one job, Daryl, and you flopped it.
Oh, you had one job, Daryl, and you... did. Leave the rest to me. Here's another old show, Scooby-Doo. More like Scooby.